Hello, my name is Peter Senko, and I'm part of Team Stephanie from the free open source software classroom by George Thiruvathakal. I am here to demo some of the additions that I have done with my team to this great open source project that we found on GitHub. Stephanie is basically a open source program that mimics Siri. It has lots of modules built into it, so she has a lot of capabilities of helping you out from daily tasks such as tweeting, looking up a movie's rating, etc., all activated by voice command. Now, what me and my team have done is we added a GUI, a graphical user interface, and it is integrated right here. As you can see, I am using PyQt4, which is a great module made for Python, for making a graphical user interface. Let me run Stephanie so I could show you how it looks. Oh boy. One moment. Okay. Cool. So, this is the GUI of Stephanie. It is really basic. It's a small little window, and it has two buttons and the title right here. As you can see, it says Stephanie. There's two buttons, the start program one and the exit program. How Stephanie's GUI works is I initialize the window and I set the geometry of it to 5050 300 by 100. And then I set the window title and I call the function called center that I wrote with the help of the internet. Basically, it takes the geometry of the window, so 50 by 50, etc., and then it also takes the geometry of takes the resolution of your monitor, and basically it takes the window and its top left corner is centered to the center of the resolution according to the resolution of your screen. So then I put two buttons, and each button is it has a click event that is linked to a function, and if you press the button, then all the commands in that function are executed. So for example, in the exit program one, if you click it, you trigger an event called exit app. So the function exit app is called, and then you do a normal sys exit. So you can see it done right here. But let us start up Stephanie once more and show you the program. So before I boot the program and give you a demo of it, I need to make a disclaimer that I didn't have enough time to make the GUI work in parallel with Stephanie's internals. I quickly figured out with the help of my former teacher, Maria Science, that it is an issue of multi-threading, that I haven't set up a multi-thread to run, so basically the GUI locks up whenever Stephanie's running, and until Stephanie's done, I can't use the GUI. But that could be easily done by implementing a model view controller and having an observer pattern in place. However, due to limited class time, I couldn't get this in time, or done in time. But also before I demo Stephanie and some of the modules that my team has written, there's the Reddit module that I have contributed. That it's a very simple module that basically works with the Reddit API. It's using a module called PRA, and basically one functionality that I would like to demo is Stephanie basically looking up some information about whatever subreddit you would like, and then she asks you if you would like to open it, and yeah, we'll give it a shot. However, another disclaimer, Stephanie's voice activation isn't the best. Sometimes she will guess what you're saying, sometimes she will think you're saying something else. It is all based upon this file right here called modules.json. It basically links all the modules and the functions within it, and it is triggered by some heuristics, some keywords. But let's see if Stephanie will comply. Alright, here we go.
How may I help you?
Information about subreddit.
What subreddit do you
Nice.
want to open and get information on?
Chicago.
Here's some information that I found for you. Here are the subreddit's name, its title, and a description.
So she
of it.
worked.
Would you like to open the website?
Yes. So, as you can see, Stephanie was being very compliant. She opened up the subreddit Chicago on Reddit. So, as she said, she opened up the title, a description of the subreddit that's written within the subreddit, and yeah, as you can see, it all adds up. You know, here's Chicago, so the subreddit Chicago, and here are the descriptions that you can see here in the terminal as well. Some of the rules of the subreddit, etc., etc. And yeah, no, Stephanie's a great project to be working on. However, due to limited time in the classroom, I couldn't get some of the things I wanted to complete and show. But, you know, hopefully with time over the summer, I might add a few more modules. And yeah, that is all. Thank you all for watching, and have a good night.